Stop it.
Stop what?
You're talking about me in Morse code. You know what? Joke's on you, because I know Morse code.
In our very limited free time, we went out and took a class on a very outmoded and very unnecessary form of communication just so we could talk about you in front of you. Yep, that's exactly what we did.
Very well. I must have imagined it. I apologize. Detonator. Detonator where? Michael!
Jim, are you clicking a detonator?
It's a pin.
Michael, come on.
Get back to work, Dwight, please.
Hey, tap away.